Okay, here we are unveiling the Microsoft Surface Hub 2019 edition, 55-inch. First thing you want to do is release these levers here that are holding the box in place. Should be 4, potentially 6 of them on both sides. And then you lift the unit up. There it is. The accessories kit here. Accessories. Pen that comes standard with the unit. You can also purchase extra pens, and the UHD HD 8K camera, and the power plug. Here's the bottom side of the unit where the connections are. You have a display port, an HDMI port, USB-C port, USB 3.0 port, RJ45 Ethernet port, and the power. The top of the unit is where you would mount the camera, and it has a USB-C port ready and waiting with the mount